Hello student, so in the last lecture we are already done with the question number 1 to 4 of the exercise 11.1, right? So let's continue with the question number 5. So the question number 5 is like Tina wants to put a lace on a piece of cloth 50 centimeter in length, 25 centimeter in width or breadth जिसको बोलते हैं. How much lace will she need to put around it? So generally she has a piece of the cloth, right? So उसको लेस उसके क्लोथ के ऊपर पुट करनी है. Then so first we'll draw that piece. Let's take that piece like that. And that this is the 50 centimeter, which is the length of it, so we'll call it a L, and this one is the 25 centimeter, which is width, or we can also say it a breadth of it. Right? So the question they ask like that, how much lace will she needs to put around it? So यहाँ पे वो लेस लगाएगी, right? So उसको वो कितनी चाहिए होगी? So it will be the perimeter of that, and the shape of that object is rectangle. So we'll find the perimeter of rectangle, right? So that is equals to 2 multiplied by L plus B. 2 multiplied by L is 50 plus B is 25. 2 multiplied by 50 plus 25 is equal to 75. 2 multiplied by 75 is equals to 150. And the unit is centimeter. Understood? Because this piece in the length of the centimeter, so the unit of the perimeter is also the centimeter. Okay, now we have to write the final answer in this statement form. Just like as they asked, same way we have to give the answer. How much lace will she needs to put around it? So we'll write the like that 150 centimeter lace will she need to put around it. Okay, done? Understood? Okay, next question number 6. So the question number 6 is like find the perimeter of the triangular park of side 2 meter, 1 meter and 3 meter. So in the question number 6 is already given that we have to find the perimeter, then, and it is the perimeter of the triangular park. So first let's draw the figure of it. Let's say this is the triangular park. Take this one as a 2 meter, this one as 1 meter, and this one is 3 meter, right? This side is 2 meter, this side is 3 meter, and this side is 1 meter. Okay, so in the perimeter of the triangle, what the first thing we will do? We'll give the name of it. So let's give the name. This point will give the A, this one B, this one C. So we have the side AB, BC and CA. Now simply we just have to put the equation of it. So perimeter of triangular park is equals to Addition of the all sides. First we'll start with the AB. AB plus BC plus CA. The value of the AB is 2 meter. 2 plus BC 3 and CA 1. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6 meter. 5 meter is there because the unit of the this is meter. Done. Same way we have to write the answer in the statement form in this one also. So simply we can write like that. The perimeter of triangular park is 6 meter. Done. Okay, so over here our first part of the chapter which is done, which is the perimeter. Done. So moving to the next part of the chapter. Before that, let's perform an activity. Take a geometry box ले लो और simple box for the pen and eraser. Remove all the things from that. पूरा उसको खाली कर दो. Then now what you have to do, take a eraser लो. अभी जो खाली बॉक्स है उसको फाइंड करो कि उसको आप कितने इरेजर से फिल अप कर सकते हो completely. Then I'll tell you how you can find it. Say for example, this is my compass and that is my eraser. Then this is my compass and that is my eraser. This is the place of the empty. Then now how can I find? I have to put like that eraser. That is 1, then 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Means side by side you have to put the eraser. Then one eraser only you have to use, not another. Done. And do first things do that activity, pause the video and find the answer. Okay, now I guess you have done with the activity. Let me guess the answer of that. Let's take the 12 erasers to completely fill the geometry box, or 10 erasers, or someone has 8 eraser also. If it is depend on the size of the erasers, right? Okay, so that clearly meaning is that to occupy the space of the geometry box you need 10 eraser or 12 eraser. Understood? Now do that same activity with the let's take a sharpener. Then do that same activity with the sharpener and find the answer. Same, and that one also you get the different answer as per the size of the sharpener. So that means key to fill the space inside the geometry box you need the number of eraser or sharpener. The number may be 10, 12, etc, etc. Then okay, now as I said, this is the next topic, to find the space inside the any figure, inside any closed figure. Done. That is our next topic, which is area. Then so what is the area? What we find on that we find the total space occupied by the eraser, right? So this is, as I said in the previous also, that first in the maths we'll done by the unstandard figure to the standard figure. So the eraser or the sharpener is not the perfect unit for the measurement of the area, right? So if it is on that, there is another unit just like a meter and centimeter. Then so it can be a standard value. Understood? So let us take example for that. Say for example, I have the compass of the length 4 centimeter and breadth would be, let's take 2 centimeter. Then so I have compass of this size. Then now as we know about the square grid, we draw that first. I guess you are aware with the square grid because we have done so many questions on that in the last exercise. Okay, so this is the square grid. It is of 1 by 1 centimeter of the square grid. Right? Okay, now let's put this compass or the figure into this square grid. So it would be like that. Then I have to cover up the 4 unit for the length because the length is 4 centimeter, and I have to cover up the 2 unit for the breadth because the breadth is 2 centimeter. Right? Okay. Now, say for example, if I have the eraser of 1 by 1 centimeter, if I have the square eraser of 1 by 1 centimeter, just like that. This measure is 1 centimeter and that is also the 1 centimeter. So if I want to fill up this compass or the figure with that 1 by 1 centimeter eraser, so how much I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? This is 4 centimeter and this breadth is 2 centimeter, right? So how many eraser or how many blocks I get 1 by 1 to find the value of this compass? It is 8. So that is our area, but this is in the form of standard, right? This is the standard form to find the area because we have the particular unit for that, which is 1 by 1 centimeter. We have the particular unit for the compass also, which is 4 by 2 centimeter. So now we what we find the value of the area is we get on the in the standard value, right? So as per that the area is 8 eraser, but the eraser is the size of 1 by 1, so the answer is 8 square centimeter, or we can put like the 8 centimeter square. Then in place of centimeter there could be the meter also, so the area is the meter square or square meter, then or the kilometer also, so for that also the square kilometer or meter kilometer. Okay, now let's I guess you know the definition of the area. Now as per your book it could be the region inside the boundary of any plane figure is its area. So we have the plane figure we have, right? Then so the region inside it, इसके अंदर जितना भी रीजन ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं ये फिगर, सो दैट इज द एरिया ऑफ इट व्हिच इज द 8 centimeter square. Then okay, now and as per the block, अगर हम स्क्वायर ग्रिड की बात करें, so for that also there is one equation for the the definition for the area, which is the area of the surface. This is the surface or the plane figure is the number of the square unit needed to cover the surface or the figure. Then so for that figure, that surface, we need how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 unit we need. Then so this 8 is the area of that surface or that plane figure. So in general the area, what is the definition of the area? It is the region occupied by any closed plane figure. Understood? Then okay, now in the previous also we have done with the equation to find the perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the square. In this one also we can find the, we can make the equation for that. Done. So to make that equation, let's take that example only. I will put like the area of rectangle. We got the answer as a 8 centimeter. Then now from that 8 centimeter we'll make the equation for the rectangle. Or then okay, now if you just focus on the length and breadth of that rectangle, so you get the 4 and 2, right? Now let's just multiply that 4 and 2. What we get as answer is 8. That we get same as the area of it. So that means the area of the rectangle is equal to what? The multiplication of the length and breadth of the rectangle. So that is equals to 4, we have a length, so it will be L multiplied by B. This is the area of the rectangle. Now let's say if there is any kind of square, so on that also the same, but in the square we didn't have the length and breadth separately, we just have the same side of it. So as per that, the area of square is equals to what? Side multiplied by side. Then why? Because that first side is this and the another side is this. Then because in the square all sides are equal, so just the multiplication of side with the side will get the area of that square. Understood, I guess? Okay, now let's start the exercise 11.2. Okay, so the first question is like, find the area of the figure shown below by counting the number of square unit. So as you can see, the figures, there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Means total 7 figures are given. So from that, 2 of them I drawn over here. Remaining you have to do in the homework. Done. So I drawn the A and D. Done. So on that area of the A and the area of the D, that we have to find. We already given that we just have to find the area by counting the number of the square unit. Understand? We just have to count the number of the square unit. So the number of the square unit is the area of that figure. So as per that, area of A is equals to, count the number of the square unit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then, so the 12 units are there. Then, so the answer is area of the A is 12. The unit of the area is right now this square grid is 1 by 1 centimeter. So the area of the A is 12 square centimeter. Understood? SQ means square. Yeah? Okay, let's find the area of the D. Then on that also we have to do the same thing. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Then, so as per that, the area of D is equals to what? 16 blocks are there, so the answer is 16. Unit is same, square centimeter. Then Now let's continue with the second question. Remember that in the first one I have only done A and D, so remaining you have to do in your homework. Understand? Second question. So the question is, below are two 10 grams figure. This type of figure is called the 10 grams figure. Find the area of the following shape by counting the number of squares. So in this one also we have to find the area by just counting the number of square. But in the previous question we have the full square, pura square tha. In this one, as you can see that there are not, this figure is not covered by full square, it is covered by half. Then half of them, some of the squares are half. Then so for question number A, that again you have to do in the homework. I am doing the question number B. Then okay, so we know that for the full square, the area of that square is 1 unit. Whatever the unit of them, it is 1 unit. 1 square unit. Okay, now if it is a half square, so what is the area of that half? Obviously, it is the half of it, means half square unit. Understood? Now, so in this one, we just have to find the number of full square and number of half square. Right? So let's find first the number of full square. Okay. This is 1, that one is 2, this one is 3, this is 4, that one is 5, this one is 6. That's it. So only 6 are there. Full squares numbers are 6. Then okay, now second, what we have to find? We have to find the number of half square. Write that number of half square is equals to, let's count that number of half square, starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7, this is in the 3 full square, so this one is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here is 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 18 are there, the number of half square. Okay, on that one thing we know that 2 half is equals to what? 1 full. So if we divide that 18 with the 2, so we'll get the number of full square. Okay, now the area of this is the 10 gram shape B question, so I put the B. So the area of B is equals to number of full square. How many are there? 6 plus number of half square. So it is 18. So if we divide it by 2, so we get the answer as a 9, because 9 2s are 18. So number of half square is 18. 18 divided by 2. So we'll get the full value. Then okay, now 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. 15, the unit is centimeter. So the area of B is equals to 15 square centimeter. Done.